This time we are going to connect the fan. There are two things I want you to be aware of. The other side of the fan, there is a thermal paste here. This is sticky stuff. Make sure it doesn't touch anything. Another thing you should know is that the fan looks about the same in any direction, but you have to connect to the power. So this connector has to go here. So you have to put it such a way, so don't do it this way, although it will reach. Do it this way, so that it's close to each other. Now, this end has to hook here. And then the other side, this one, has to hook here. So it will require some force, but that's what we got to do. So let's do it. So if I push this one comes in and out. So what you have to do is that you have to push this in so that this side comes out, you see. So now I will push it out so that I can connect it here, right under. Okay, it hooked on it. And then I have to see on the other side that it's going in. Okay. And then in here, I'm gonna hook it here. Push it down and push it in. Okay, it went in. Once it goes in, then you can apply pressure by lifting it up like this. Alright, now it's securely in, and then you connect this. It only goes one way, so send it in. Alright, the fan is complete.